How to fix your account was compromised on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Then click on your profile and go to three lines at the top right corner of your screen. In here, you'll find settings and activity. Click on Account Center in here. In Account Center, scroll down to Accounts and click on Accounts. If you have any linked accounts, remove it and re-add it again. Click on Remove and remove it, and you can re-add it again. After that, if it still does not fix your problem, go to Settings and Activity, which is the main page, and then at the top, search Apps. Click on App Website Permission. In here, go to Apps and Website, and if you have any active links, simply remove that as well. After that, you can also log out of this account and log back in, and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix your account with compromise on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.